National 100-meter junior record holder Alana Reid is looking to rediscover her best form, having returned home to where it all started. Daniel McLeod reports.
Alana Reid announced her presence in the sub-11 club after her stunning 10.92 seconds 3 years ago at the age of just 18 to become the fastest female junior in Jamaica's history. Reid then made the bold decision to go professional, leaving high school coach Corey Bennett to train alongside reigning world and Olympic champion Melissa Jefferson-Wooden, former world champion Sha'Carri Richardson, and others at the Florida-based Star Athletics outfit under the guidance of coach Dennis Mitchell. She then transitioned to the hurdles mechanics group in Arkansas, where she was guided by veteran coach Lawrence Bogie Johnson. However, since her national junior record performance, Reid had not managed to break the 11-second barrier since, but she's hoping to recapture some of her old magic under familiar guidance.
Promise.
I'm back with my high school coach. I ran 10 with him being my high school coach. So it's just for me to have that same drive and same motivation to believe in him, to let me know that, that once I step on that track or once I go out there, it's just war time for me. It's just for me to go out there and execute. He really believes in me.
Reid shared why she decided to come back home.
I spent 2 years in the States and now I'm back in Jamaica. I think I'm more comfortable here, so it gives me so much more opportunity to just be who I actually am. So that's just what I'm working on. I'm back here, I'm amongst the Hyder girls and the JC boys, and they really push me day in, day out to give up my best, and a lot of them look up to me. So it's just for me to stay focused, have that tunnel vision and go out there and do my best.
Outside of athletics, Reid said she had a hard time dealing with a tragedy in her family. However, she has come out on the other side even stronger.
I have an uncle that passed, and it really brought me into pieces, but I know that if I didn't continue doing my best, then he wouldn't be proud. So it's just that really pushing me for right now. I know that anything I believe I can achieve. So it's just for me to have that tunnel vision once again and go there and tell myself that, hey, I'm back home. Wherever I go, it's just for me to perform at the best of my ability.
Reid's fastest time since her sub-11 clock-in was 11.02 seconds done at the National Championships in June last year. Daniel McLeod reporting for TVJ Sports.